Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you must enable system protection on this drive. Click Troubleshoot Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt. Type net space start space VSS. rstrui.exe space. /offline colon. C colon / Windows =sign active. Click Next to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.